Here are some ideas for using printing with found objects to teach kids mathematical concepts. This is one of the simplest I could think of. Get a piece of paper, fold it in half and in half again, and teach kids about fractions. With this example, I took 4 pieces of paper, put them corner to corner, and printed across the corner, again to teach kids about fractions. I found this convenient packaging around some cheese and used it to teach kids about fractions. This toilet roll is a great tool to teach kids to print with found objects. First you manipulate it into shape and then you put some paint on. I used this shape to show kids the concept of one and many, and also to talk about the concept of infinite numbers. This lid with some gold paint looks just like a coin when it's printed, and we printed it in these stacked heaps to show kids the concept of ascending and descending numbers, small and big, and also to talk a little bit about money. We printed these shapes on 2 different pieces of paper so that we could use them in an interchangeable way to illustrate ascending and descending numbers. Here we use different shapes to show odd and even numbers. Here we got each child to print their piece of paper with 6 flowers. Each flower had 4 petals. Then we got them to count out loud as they printed. This allowed us to teach them about multiplication. Did you enjoy this video? Please share it with your friends.